We're starting the broadcast with breaking updates coming in. The RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, speaking at the Hindu Unity Conference in Kerala, has urged Hindus to embrace tradition by wearing traditional attire and speaking local languages at home. So he said, avoid English and speak in your native language. He emphasized that unity would lead to societal prosperity. His remarks have sparked widespread debate. Listen in to what Mohan Bhagwat said.
और अपने घर के चौखट के अंदर भाषा, भूषा, भजन, भोजन, भवन, ये अपना होना। मेरे घर के अंदर मैं मलयालम में बात करूंगा, मेरी मातृभाषा मलयालम है, तो अंग्रेजी का उपयोग नहीं करूंगा। अपने घर के अंदर मैं अपने वेश में रहूंगा। घर में पर्व, उत्साह, धार्मिक प्रसंग रहते, स्वदेशी वेश में रहूंगा, मेरे अपने परंपरागत वेश में रहूंगा। कुटुंब में ये करना, इसकी चर्चा करना, चर्चा करते हुए लागू करना और नई पीढ़ी को समझाना। हिंदू समाज को अपना जीवन चलाने के लिए हिंदू एकता की आवश्यकता है, उसमें से शक्ति उत्पन्न होगी। ये बताने के लिए और कोई तर्क देने की आवश्यकता नहीं। विश्व में ये नियम है, जो समाज संगठित है, एक है, उस समाज का उत्कर्ष होता है। जो समाज विभक्त है, संगठित नहीं है, उस समाज का अधपतन होता है। इतिहास और वर्तमान दोनों इसके साक्षी है।
Let's go across to my colleagues Mohit and Arpita joining us on the broadcast with the details. Mohit, Mohan Bhagwat saying that speak in your native language and that is going to ensure unity. This is sparked of a debate previously as well, he has mentioned, but now this time around Mohan Bhagwat and what he goes on to say amid the charge that is coming from the opposition time and again of Hindi imposition, Mohan Bhagwat saying speak in your native language at home.
Well, yes, in fact, Pratibha, and you see, when Mohan Bhagwat talks about Hindu unity, and this is not the first time he has spoken about it. Earlier also, on various instances, he has spoken about that how Hindus need to be united. A society which doesn't get united does not survive, and he has cited the examples from the past, and he says that the society only thrives when the community gets together, they meet each other, they greet each other, they help each other, and this is what he has reiterated yesterday. He says that Hindus should unite, but uniting of Hindus should not harm the other communities also. He went on to say that Hindus should unite, and a society where the people are not united, it always falls down. Now he also goes on to say that people, when they go for the outing, for the programs, they should wear traditional clothes, they should eat local cuisine, and they should speak the local language. Like, for example, he gave an example, if I am a Malayali, then that person should speak Malayali at their homes or at their outing or the traditional programs. So clearly that message has gone from Mohan Bhagwat. We have to wait and watch how will the opposition parties react to it, because he goes on to say that we should not speak English. Instead, we should speak in regional languages. But the larger message over here is about the Hindu unity. Again, we see that how Mohan Bhagwat has come out and spoken about that how if we have to survive as a society, then Hindus should unite, but they should not harm other religions, other communities. And he has cited examples from the past, and he has been saying so, that a society which does not get united, stays united, that society falls, and he gives an examples from the past Indian history as well. So we have to wait and watch how the opposition parties will react to it. And as you clearly stated, that at a time when there are questions being raised by various opposition parties from the south, specifically from the DMK, Mohan Bhagwat coming out and saying that people should speak in their local languages will also start off a debate. He has basically stated that people should not speak in English. Now they should speak in their local languages, local dialect, and perhaps that is why this speech is also very, very important. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Let's take this across to Arpita as well. The speech by Mohan Bhagwat was made at the Hindu Unity Conference in Kerala, where he urged Hindus to embrace tradition. He spoke about unity, he spoke about wearing traditional attire and also speaking the local dialect at home while avoiding English, Arpita.
Well, yes, rightly said by my colleague Mohit that this is not the first time RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has made such comments. Now, the latest comments he has made in Pathanamthitta district, where he was inaugurating Hindu Unity Conference, and he has again reiterated the fact that Hindus should come together and strengthen their community. For that, they should speak their native language, they should wear their traditional attire, and they should avoid speaking in English. This is again and again he's reiterating that Hindus should come together to strengthen the community. But this has not gone well with the people across the nation. As soon as he said this in social media, there has been a storm going on. Hindus have come forward saying that us as a Hindu, it is our duty. We will decide what to speak, what to wear, and what to do. There is no need for someone else to tell us what to do. And they have also come across in social media and stated that speaking native language or speaking in English or wearing Western dress will not change anything, or will not change the fact that we are Hindus and we are practicing the tradition completely. So now we need to wait and watch what the opposition is going to react, because the opposition has not reacted yet. So we need to see what the opposition is going to react on the same.
Okay, all right. So let's listen into what Mohan Bhagwat has said. He spoke about the significance of tradition. He spoke about language to be spoken at home while saying avoid English. But the larger message that Mohan Bhagwat was trying to send out was for Hindu unity. Listen in.
और अपने घर के चौखट के अंदर भाषा, भूषा, भजन, भोजन, भवन, ये अपना होना। मेरे घर के अंदर मैं मलयालम में बात करूंगा, मेरी मातृभाषा मलयालम है, तो अंग्रेजी का उपयोग नहीं करूंगा। अपने घर के अंदर मैं अपने वेश में रहूंगा। घर में पर्व, उत्साह, धार्मिक प्रसंग रहते, स्वदेशी वेश में रहूंगा, मेरे अपने परंपरागत वेश में रहूंगा। कुटुंब में ये करना, इसकी चर्चा करना, चर्चा करते हुए लागू करना और नई पीढ़ी को समझाना। हिंदू समाज को अपना जीवन चलाने के लिए हिंदू एकता की आवश्यकता है, उसमें से शक्ति उत्पन्न होगी। ये बताने के लिए और कोई तर्क देने की आवश्यकता नहीं। विश्व में ये नियम है, जो समाज संगठित है, एक है, उस समाज का उत्कर्ष होता है। जो समाज विभक्त है, संगठित नहीं है, उस समाज का अधपतन होता है। इतिहास और वर्तमान दोनों इसके साक्षी है।
So Mohan Bhagwat saying that a united society flourishes while divide fails. That's the message that he intended to give out. Let's see what statements come in from the opposition. Mohit and Arpita, thank you for joining us on the broadcast with the details.